Welcome to my Case Study Circle channel. In this video, we shall see how to create a part model and prepare a draft for the same using the Solid Edge 2023 version. So we are supposed to create the 3D model of the part which is shown below and also generate its principal views in the first angle projection. So this is the part diagram we have got. So now let us make the initial observation looking at the part. So it is a simple part which is having the basic feature of a rectangle, and this is the direction of viewing. So you can just see that the maximum length in the front view is 140 mm, and it is having a depth of 90 mm and a height of 30 mm, and also the total height of the component is 100 mm. And in the top we are having one more protrusion of 70 mm and having a cross sectional area of 30 cross 30. So now we will see how to create this part model using the Solid Edge 2023 and also prepare the draft for the same and generate its principal views. So we shall begin with clicking on the new part. I shall select the front plane, click on the line option and just move the cursor over the Z axis so that the plane is getting locked. So now let me draw a line of 140 mm. The angle shall be 0. And then as you can see from the diagram, the height of the rectangle is 30 mm. Let me just complete the part diagram in its front view. So this is how it is going to look in the front view. So a rectangular block is there. So now I can go for select this rectangle and protrude this rectangle to a total depth of 30 mm, as it is having a thickness of 30 mm again. This is the front view. So now let me select the front view and generate the side portion for this particular part, so that I can do it by selecting the line option again and drawing a rectangle or a square of 30 cross 30. And select the square, and now you can just see that the total depth of the part is 90 mm and this portion is 30 cross 30. So I have to protrude this square to a total length of 60 mm, so that the consolidated length of this and this is total 90 mm. You can just see that it is total 90 mm, so this is total 30 mm. So now we will create the other half of the part from this plane. So let me select the front view. Again, I have to create a rectangle of length 140 cross 30. So from this point, I shall create one more rectangle of 140 mm. So this is how it is. So including this, it is 90. So I can just protrude this inside to a depth of 30 mm. So you can see that the bottom feature is now prepared. And now I have to create the profile of 30 cross 70 on this particular plane. So I can do that. I'll be selecting this plane. So I'll select the top view. I'll select this particular part. So this is 30 cross 30 again. So let me select this square of 30 cross 30 and extend this to a total height of 100. So since this particular portion is already 30 mm, so I have to do it as 100 minus 30, which is 70. So this is the front view. So this I can see. Now here again I need to have one more protrusion. So for that, let me select the right side view and then create a square of 30 cross 30 on this plane. So 30 mm cross 30 and complete the square. So now this square has to be extruded to a total length of 70 mm, but however this particular portion is already having a thickness of 30 mm, so including that it is 70. So let me create it as 70 minus 30, so which is 40 mm. We can see that the total length of the protrusion is 70. So the part is ready. So this is the front view of the part. So you can just use the visible and the hidden edges feature and you can see the front view of the part. So go for the smart dimension, measure the length, which is 40, and here it is 30 and 30 here, and the total height is 100. So this is what you get to see in the front view. In the top view, this is what you get to see in the top view, and this is the right side view of the part. So after having created the part, now I will create the draft for this. So before creating the draft, let me save this. So I'll save this as exercise 6. Click save. Now go for new and select isometric draft. Right click on sheet 1, select sheet setup, change the sheet to A4, untick show background, click save defaults, click OK. Fit the sheet to the screen by clicking on the fit icon. And now you can just see that there is an option for view wizard in the home window. So select on view wizard and select the file name, that is exercise 6. Click open. So now you can just see that the front view of the part is readily available for us. So this is the front view of the part, the corresponding right side view, the left side view on the right profile plane, and this is the top view of the part, and this is going to give us the isometric view. But however, in the principal views we have got only the front, top and the side view, so we will not generate the isometric view of the part. So now the part is ready. So go for smart dimension. This is 100 and this dimension is 30. The total dimension is 150, that is the total length, and then this particular protrusion is having a length of 70. The width is shown here, so no need to show the dimension repetitively. So this is 30 again, and this total length is 90. So this completes the generation of the principal views. However, we can just show the XY plane and the right profile plane by drawing the XY lines. So select the thickness of the line as 0.18 mm and draw a reference plane, XY plane, and also the X1, Y1 plane. So select annotation and change the font to Times New Roman and label the planes. So this is X and this is Y, X1 and Y1, which is the profile planes for viewing it in the side. So we can just generate the side view by drawing a 45-degree line from the point of intersection. So enter the angle as minus 45. So select the line option. So this is going to intersect the 45-degree line, and from here I'll take a perpendicular and intersect the 45-degree line. Take the projector. So this line has to come and intersect here, and this edge has to come and intersect with this line. So for that, let me select the side view, select the move option and ensure the copy is off, and keep the point here and just place it on this particular line. So now you can just see that it is aligned perfectly. So this is how the side view will be generated. So we can label the views. So this is the front view. This is the top view. This is the left side view on the right profile plane. So with this, we complete the generation of the principal views in the draft. Click Save and save the draft. So this completes the generation of the part and also the draft. Thank you all for watching.